In this video, I'm going to share with you 4 different ways that you can promote your Getresponse affiliate link and start earning commissions. Watch this entire video to learn which method is best for you. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and today I want to help you. All right, so let's go ahead and get right into it. You want to make money with the Getresponse affiliate program. Before you can make $1 or make money consistently, you have to know exactly what Getresponse is and what it does. Let's take a look at the Getresponse affiliate program and why it's so appealing. There are 2 options within the Getresponse affiliate program. You can earn $100 per sale or 33% reoccurring. Personally, I like reoccurring income, but which one you choose is really up to you. Now, what I recommend that you do is really figure out what solution Getresponse solves. So people are only going to buy stuff from you if you can solve a problem or you can provide some sort of entertainment. But if you look here at Getresponse.com, they do email marketing, website building, marketing automation, and conversion funnels. They also have a drop down that you can add and integrate to WordPress websites. So you want to make sure that you are considering that when you are trying to promote. What I recommend that you do is spend a few minutes, just go through their landing page, their main website, and just really look and get an idea of what they do and how they do it so that you can take advantage of it. Enough with the talking. Let's go ahead and figure out the best ways to go ahead and promote the Getresponse affiliate program so that you can start making money. The easiest way, in my opinion, is simply over on YouTube. And the reason why I think YouTube is really easy is because there's multiple ways to do it within YouTube. For example, if we just type in Getresponse versus, you're going to see that people are coming to YouTube ready to buy or make a switch when they type in Getresponse versus Sendinblue, for example. As you can see, there are a ton of people that are searching it. The top result only has 9,000 subscribers, so it's a tiny channel with regard to how large YouTube is. But you can see there's opportunity. The subscriber count below that is 122 subscribers, but 822 views. If we look at this, what these guys should do, and what I recommend that you do, is go through and just do a video on Getresponse versus every single one of these. These videos are less than 6 minutes long, and it's something that you could do in an afternoon. This video right here, 125 views. This is a 2-minute video. You could create Getresponse versus, spend an entire weekend, go through all of these, and start making money. Another thing that you can do is you can do what's called the alphabet soup method and simply enter in each letter of the alphabet and see if there are more verses that haven't been uncovered. And you're simply just going to create content. As you can see, Getresponse versus Infusionsoft. You're just going to create content and give them a comparison. In fact, you can make even more money if you are an affiliate for both Getresponse and the comparison, the company that you're comparing them to. It is really easy. As you can see, these videos are very short, but you just want to make sure that you add value and solve a problem. For example, if we go to Getresponse versus ConvertKit, you want to make sure that you are actually providing pros and cons. Like this video here is 27 minutes long. You probably don't have to do a 27-minute video, but you should do more than a 4-minute video to accurately compare and contrast and let people know why Getresponse is better than the alternative. So I think one of the easiest and best ways is simply with Getresponse versus, and then you can fill in the blank. Another thing that you can do over on YouTube is talk about email marketing. A lot of people that are brand new to starting an online business, or maybe they have an offline business and they want more sales, they don't really know that much about email marketing. And so if you can educate them and then let them know, hey, look, the link in the description goes to my #1 recommended email automation software, and just really explain the components of email marketing and email automation. For example, if we type in autoresponder, we'll get the word spelled correctly here. And if we hit the spacebar, as you can see, autoresponder, email marketing, autoresponder, WhatsApp, you can actually do a little trick that not a lot of people know about, is you can do underscore here, and then you can actually go back in front of the underscore and enter in different letters, and it's actually going to come up with different keywords for you. So you could do this too. People are asking, like, what is an autoresponder, how to make an autoresponder email. If you can inform them, help solve that problem and say, hey, look, click the link in the description for the best autoresponder for beginners. If you believe that Getresponse is the best for beginners, you can start making money. Another way that you can make money with Getresponse is to offer bonuses to help them along their way. If you are brand new to email marketing, you don't know what you don't know. And so what you may want to do is actually offer them a template to help them create an autoresponder sequence. For example, there are tons of templates out on the internet that you can download, or you can even create your own, just really showing them and telling them the benefits of creating an autoresponder sequence. Give them that template and tell them, hey, look, if you get started with Getresponse, I'll go ahead and give you this template to make your life much easier when it comes to filling out your autoresponder sequence. But if you look at this, I just want to jump back and show you, look at all of the options out here when it comes to autoresponder. They're talking about autoresponder for WhatsApp. You could even integrate autoresponder or Getresponse with Instagram. You could reach out to people on Instagram. So let's go over to Instagram.com, and you could tell them, hey, look, you are interested in fitness, we'll say. Let's say you are a personal trainer and you want more leads. Let's see. So we'll go to fitness motivation. And what you could do is you could actually reach out to these people and let them know that they're missing out on tons of opportunity if they're not collecting leads. And then you can inform them and teach them, actually give them a free training where you show them step by step how to get up and running and make some money. You show them how Getresponse fits into their overall business plan. They just put in a link to their landing page. They integrate it. You actually could give them an autoresponder template as well, and you can make the money that way. Another thing you could do is actually go over to Udemy, which is an online learning platform. It's probably one of the most popular ones, and you can teach people how to use Getresponse. In fact, you could teach people how to use ClickFunnels or Getresponse and just include the affiliate links in the description of all of your videos. So if we type in Getresponse, as you can see here, there are tons of people that are already doing this. And again, there's a few ways to go about it. You can teach people about ClickFunnels, you can teach people about Getresponse, and tell them that you could start off using ClickFunnels, but Getresponse is going to be a little cheaper, a less expensive alternative to using something like Getresponse. But as you can see here, there are people, this person has 50 reviews, so they probably have at least 150 total sales. And I'm sure they've included a free trial link in each one of their uploads. And the cool thing is it doesn't take that long. You basically go out, learn something, turn around, record yourself, teach it. You don't even have to show your face in all these. Look at all these different videos. And you don't just have to use Udemy. You can use Skillshare. You can use tons of other e-learning platforms that are out there. You could even create a YouTube channel and give away a course yourself. You can include affiliate links to Getresponse. There's a number of ways to do it, and all of these could generate a lot of money. Another thing you could do is actually start a blog where you're comparing and contrasting email automation software and services. And let me show you how to do that real quick. What I'm going to do is I'm going to jump over to one of my favorite keyword research tools called Ahrefs. Now, you don't have to do this. You could do this manually by going over to Google and searching manually. But what we're going to do is we're just going to type in Getresponse versus. You type in Getresponse versus. As you can see, the keyword difficulty is 12, so relatively easy for a brand new blog or website. If we scroll down here, you're gonna see there is 1.6 thousand monthly searches, 185 keywords. You create content on ActiveCampaign versus Getresponse, you're gonna start getting traffic as long as your content is good. You can't just throw stuff up there and hope for the best. What we can do too is let's copy this keyword here just like this. We're going to copy this and we're going to paste it right into Google, and we're going to see who's ranking number 1. So Getresponse is ranking number 1. The digital merchant is number 2. Let's open this up and see what they're ranking for. And what we can do is we can take a look and see this is probably about a 3,500 word blog post because this person is aware of the opportunity. This person is probably an affiliate for both Getresponse and ActiveCampaign, but if we right click here and we do word counter, you will see, okay, 4,000 word blog post. Skim through this blog post, see if he missed anything, and then you can come back and add more value. So what you can also do too is to get an idea of what else this person is ranking for. We're going to copy this. We're going to go back over to Ahrefs, go to Site Explorer just like this, and we are going to paste in their domain name. Let's get rid of that right there. Post in their domain name, hit enter, and we can see what else they're ranking for and potentially find other keywords to harvest that could provide us affiliate commissions for Getresponse. So we're going to click on organic keywords, 36,000 organic keywords that they rank for. They won't mind if we take a couple from them. So what we're going to do is we're going to sort the keyword difficulty to 5 or less, just like this. And what we can do is, as you can see, they have different links, Builderall versus ClickFunnels, Snappa versus Canva, and so on. This is yet another opportunity. Another thing that you can do is, if we jump back over to Google, let's talk about how to make a drop down WordPress. So what we're doing, or we want to have an exit pop for WordPress. So when people are thinking about leaving our blog post, we want to have an exit pop to collect their email address. So we could just type in how to make a exit pop. If we hit enter here, you're going to see there's a lot of people creating content. This is actually a Getresponse drop down menu, but you can see 22,000 views. The one below it, exit pop, 3,000 subscribers, 565 views, and you can do this too as long as you show them how to do it. And it's actually really easy. In fact, I'm going to bring up my Getresponse account here, just log in on this other window, and I'm going to show you it's really easy to do an exit pop. Just make sure that you include your affiliate link in the description. So how to make an exit pop, what we could do once again is we could delete this, just go through each letter of the alphabet, like what is an exit pop? People are asking questions. As you can see, this is only a 3-minute video. If you make a good video showing people how to make a high quality exit pop, there is opportunity. Look at their tiny subscriber numbers, but getting lots of views. Look at this, 2.9 thousand views, 10 subscribers. 5,000 subscribers, 777 views. There's a lot of opportunity to make these. And I'm just going to show you how easy it is. So we're going to go over to, we come back over here like this. What you can do is go up to the menu up here, and you're going to click on Forms and Surveys, create a new form, and then you can come over here to List Builder Apps, and then just create this exit pop just like that. You can also show people how to create a shake box. That's one of those little boxes that shake to get people to enter in their name and their email. Scroll form. People are asking these questions because they just don't know how to do it. You show them how to do it step by step using keyword research. So for example, if we slide this back over, we could go back up to Google, or excuse me, go back up to Ahrefs, and we could type in, we'll type in exit pop-up, exit pop-up. Hit enter, and you're going to see that says the keyword difficulty is slightly difficult. Click on matching terms here. If we look, people are creating content and asking questions and getting their problem solved with simple questions like free exit pop. You could potentially make that over on Getresponse. I don't know if this is included in the free. You do get a 30-day free trial, and that's another way to promote. Is you can get started with email marketing for free. People love free. So you could actually come up with exit pop examples. So let's copy this just like that. Copy this. We'll go back over to YouTube, and we're going to paste this in. As you can see, exit pop examples. You show them how to make an exit pop different ways. Look at this, 1.6 thousand views, 775 subscribers. There is tons of opportunity. People want to learn how to make an exit pop, but that's just one of the many ways that you could make money with Getresponse and promoting your affiliate link. So we have creating YouTube videos with the verses. You can do the same thing with a blog or website. You can teach people about email marketing. Another way that you can make money is with webinars. Now, webinar software is very expensive, but it's also a great way to make money. As you can see here, people are asking questions about webinars. We could say, what is a webinar? We'll say, what is a webinar? Or how to create a webinar. If we go down here, what is a webinar? You can see the top result here, 56,000 views, only 11,000 subscribers. So a relatively small channel. But what you'll do is you'll explain exactly what a webinar is, and then you can tell them Getresponse has great webinar software, and you can potentially get started for free. Once again, I'm not sure if it's included in the free, the 30-day free trial, but this is an opportunity. How to create a webinar. is, let's see, how to create a webinar. And the cool thing with Getresponse is if people are finding success with whatever software they have, they're going to stick with it. How to create a webinar. As you can see right there, if we look, top result here, 108,000 subscribers, 172,000 views. We've got this third result here, only 18,000 subscribers, 377,000 views, lots of opportunity, something that you could do too. If we go back over to Getresponse, again, we want to figure out what problems people have and then how we can solve them. This is another interesting one right here, how to get your first 50 subscribers. You can tell people how to get started with email marketing, but there is tons of opportunity. I think I probably gave you 7 at this point. There's a lot of ways to make money with Getresponse. Now that you know all of the different ways to make money, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.